Manipur Governor Ajay Bhalla visited Moreh in Tengnoupal district today to assess the operations of Integrated Checkpost ICP. During his visit, he interacted with officials from the Land Ports Authority of India who provided a presentation on the ICP's functioning. He also met with leaders from civil society organizations to listen to their grievances. Moreover, the governor engaged with various business and community leaders, including those from the Border Trade Chamber of Commerce, Tamil Sangam, Manipur Muslim Council and Gurkha Samaj, who shared concerns about the challenges they have faced since the suspension of cross-border trade due to COVID-19 pandemic. The governor also visited Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gates number 1 and 2 before proceeding to Govajang village, where he was briefed by CO25 BRTF about the ongoing fencing works along Indo-Myanmar border. The governor distributed gifts to BRO officials and the local workforce, encouraging them to continue their work.